Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Motorola Razr Fold isn't recognizing your fingerprints properly. So let's set up the new fingerprints for our device. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy and open this menu. Then go to Device Unlock, open Face and Fingerprint, enter your password. Now go to your fingerprint section and erase all the previously enrolled fingerprints. Now use the microfiber cloth or your cotton t-shirt to wipe the surface of your power button, which has the fingerprint scanner located on it. Make sure that there are no stains. Select fingerprint, tap setup, and then just start pushing your fingertip against the power button, moving it around, lifting it up, and repeating this process until the entire pattern on your screen is filled with blue color. Okay, almost here. And now let's tap done. And before we start using our fingerprint, let's go back to settings and let's find the system update section. Now make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi and check for available updates. And if you have an update to install, take your time to download and install it, and then restart your smartphone to apply changes. So press power button and volume up key at the same time, select restart, and wait until the device is restarted. And now before we start using our fingerprint, let's unlock the phone. Let's give it some time to relaunch and try to use our fingerprint to unlock the device. Just slightly lean your fingertip against the power button and your device should become unlocked. But if it's not happening, what we can do to improve the fingerprint recognition is basically just return back to settings and repeat the entire process without removing our previous fingerprint. So let's go to Security and Privacy, let's go to Device Unlock section, then select Fingerprint Unlock, enter your password, select Fingerprint, add Fingerprints, and then just do the same thing once again with the same fingertip. Re-roll your fingertip, tap done, and then just lock your smartphone and try unlocking it with your fingertip once again. And this time everything should work all right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.